Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce cart abandonment rates with Klaviyo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reduce cart abandonment rates with Klaviyo, begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Next, navigate to the Flows section in the sidebar. Click on Create Flow to start a new automated workflow. Select the Create from Scratch option to have full control over your setup. Name your flow something descriptive, like Abandoned Cart Recovery. Now, you'll want to add a trigger for your flow. Select the metric trigger and choose Started Checkout. This will ensure that the flow activates whenever someone begins the checkout process. Next, set the time delay for your emails. A delay of 1 hour is often effective in reaching customers while their intent is still fresh. Once you've set the delay, add an email action to your flow. Open the email settings and design your message. Personalize the email by adding the recipient's first name and details about the abandoned cart items. Include high-quality images and descriptions to remind them what they left behind. Consider adding a discount code as an incentive to encourage them to complete their purchase. After designing your email, remember to link back to the cart for easy access. Next, test your flow by using preview features to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Once satisfied, go ahead and activate your flow. To further optimize, monitor the performance of your flows in the Analytics section. Review metrics like open rates and click rates to assess effectiveness. Make adjustments to your emails based on data insights for better engagement. Also, consider segmenting your audience for targeted follow-ups, increasing relevance. In addition to emails, integrate SMS notifications for customers who opt in. This multi-channel approach can capture more attention and expedite recovery. Continue refining your strategy based on customer behavior and preferences. Utilize A/B testing to experiment with different email designs and subject lines. Regularly update your automation based on seasonal trends and promotions. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to reducing cart abandonment rates with Klaviyo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.